Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your plan on Big Cartel. First, log into your Big Cartel account and go to your dashboard. This is where you manage all your store settings. Next, click on the Account section at the top of the page. This will take you to your account settings, where you can see your current plan and billing information. Now, look for the Plan and Billing section and click on View Plans and Upgrade. You'll then see the available subscription plans, including options like Gold, Platinum, and Diamond. Take your time to compare each plan and choose the one that best fits your store's needs. Once you've selected a plan, click the Upgrade button. Next, enter your payment details as required. Make sure all information is correct before continuing. Finally, click Subscribe to confirm your upgrade. After that, your new plan will be activated and you'll get access to additional features based on your selected subscription. And that's it. You've successfully upgraded your Big Cartel plan. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.